Hi guys, welcome to Cinecary. Last night, the Mosby boys returned to How I Met Your Mother and they weren't the only ones. Daisy centered on a secret Lily's been keeping and Robin's mother causes more trouble than expected. Marshall tries to figure out where Lily went during their big fight. We've known for a while that Robin suffers from an extreme case of cold feet before her nuptials. It looks like her mother's well-intended words might be the catalyst. Genevieve spent the episode describing all the reasons Robin's father was wrong for her. Apparently, Robin never considered that she might be marrying a man like her father. In her defense, who knew Robin Sr. pulled plays like the Robin Archduke of Grand Fenwick to get a woman? So Robin Sr. almost married a stripper and had a questionable job as well. It didn't seem like Genevieve's intention was to upset the bride. Still, her only reassuring words about having a man you can completely depend on. Barney always comes through in a pinch, but that didn't seem like enough to calm Robin completely. So we had to wait 9 seasons to learn that Lily can keep a secret, just one at a time. The little girl running around the hotel was a big clue, but Ted isn't as quick as us. The guys were too busy worrying about if Lily had slept with the captain during her midnight fight escape. Once Marshall punched Lily's boss, Ted took the guys on a roundabout journey to Wrongville, mistaking her subterfuge as a cover-up for smoking cigarettes. Luckily, Billy, Zabka and Ranjit were on hand to distract from Ted's tedium. So does Ranjit have a license or what? The flower pot where the guys discovered Lily's pregnancy test became the name for the future baby. Daisy's sweet, but the whiplash in Marshall and Lily's decision-making is killing us. The night started with Marshall's judgeship becoming official and ended with a look at the family in Italy a year later. Think they'll have enough time to change their minds again before the finale. Daisy closed one can of worms while opening another. The Ericksons will be living in Italy next year, we think. Marshall's desire to fulfill Lily's dreams as she gives him the kids he always wanted was sweet. But what's going to happen to that judgeship? There was very little enjoyment in Robin's scenes with her mother. They just added to the growing list of finale questions. When will Robin freak out? Will Robin and Barney have a kid? Will the mother live? We know they have to build an epic last show, but this is exhausting. Especially when the coolest part of the night was finding out that Captain is going to marry boats. He and Ted really like swimming in the same boat, don't they? This is all we have for now. Do tell us what you feel by leaving your comments below. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to Cinecary for all the latest short films, celebrity gossips and movie reviews.